Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.